Hello, hi guys, hi everybody, how have you been doing? My subscribers, a big virtual hug to you all. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. Well, my name is Dora, the natural hair coach. My channel mainly focuses on how you can take care of your fussy hair, or not really just fussy hair, but how you can take care of your hair. And it really does not matter. It can be Caucasian hair, it can be African hair, but still the health of our hair is very important, and you can actually keep your hair healthy. Well, today I'm going to show you how I make my Moringa oil. How I make my Moringa oil to achieve massive hair growth. Okay, so this is my Moringa. Now, when we talk about Moringa, most of you probably know the health benefits of Moringa. Now, when we think about Moringa, there are really three keywords that usually pops up. One, Moringa has been referred to as the miracle tree, simply meaning that, this plant has a lot of health benefits. And then the other thing also, in terms of its medicinal properties, Moringa has also been associated with being able to heal many diseases, including, it can help you with your bones, it can help you with your lung function, it can help if you have any digestive issues. It has also proteins in it. It has I'll quickly read from here. It has vitamin C. Like, the vitamin C in Moringa is much more than what you'd find in oranges. And then it also has beta carotene, it has iron, it has calcium, it has potassium, and it also has fiber. So this simply means that anything that is good for our health will also be good for our hair. Now, this is my hair, guys. You all know that I've been trying to grow my hair, and I've tried to keep my hair as natural as I can. I'll just turn a little bit just to show you. So my hair, this is how my hair looks like right now. So what I'm going to share with you today is how I make my Moringa oil. Now, this is the finished product. This is what I have made. You can see it's a bit green in color. It has a greenish color. This is the effect of the Moringa powder. Now, let us not waste time. Now, the health benefits of Moringa for our hair. Anything to do with Moringa is nutritious. If it's nutritious to our bodies, then that also means that it's going to benefit our hair. Now, Moringa is going to protect your scalp. Now, most of us have issues with our scalp. You have dandruff, your scalp is itchy, it's flaky. One of the things that you need to do is try to incorporate Moringa into your hair routine. And this is going to help you. And then for the sisters out there who are suffering from alopecia. Now, alopecia is a skin condition that, especially when it comes to hair, and mainly for my African sisters, we all know what we do to our hair, the practices and the damages that we do to our hair, the tight braiding, excessive wearing of weaves, or wearing it the wrong way, and many times our hair begins to fall off. And many times also when there's so much tension that has been put on our scalp because of these things, the braiding, the tight hairstyle, sometimes part of your hair just falls off, and then you end up with patches on your on your head. And one of the things that will help you to grow that hair back is moringa. One, moringa is healthy for your scalp. It keeps your scalp healthy. It is antifungal, simply meaning that your scalp is going to be healthy. So without further ado, let's get into the process. I'll show you. Now I have, this is my container, and it has a little bit of olive oil. Okay. Now then I also have, this is my moringa powder. I just showed you. This is how the powder looks like, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I usually do that with olive oil. Now you can do it with any oil of your choice. You can do it with coconut oil. You can combine your oil with a combination of other oils, jojoba, coconut oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil. I mean, the list is endless, but just do what works for you. This has been working for me, and guys, you can see from the volume of hair that I have, my hair is definitely very healthy. So what I'm going to do is to make this wonderful miracle hair oil that does not only nourish your scalp, but also will help you with rapid hair growth, and will also help you with dandruff if you have, itchy skin. But above all, just be prepared to experience rapid hair growth, because this oil will keep your scalp healthy. And remember, a healthy scalp equals healthy hair, and when your hair is healthy, the result is long, lustrous hair. Okay, so let's get to the tutorial. So this is my moringa powder. So in here, I'm just simply going to get 2 teaspoons of moringa powder. I'll put it in my container. That's one. And guys, you can make as much as you want, but I'm for purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to make a sample. And then now we have our powder in here, and then I'll come and add our olive oil. Now remember, this is extra virgin olive oil, I mean, try to use organic as much as you can, and that is what makes that is what will make the difference in your hair growth. So you can see, this is what I have. Okay, all right, so there we go. So this is my olive oil, and this is my jar, my small jar, where I have put the moringa powder and the olive oil. So what I do, I'll stir this in a little. I'll stir this in, remember, and at the end of it, we are looking at mixing the olive oil plus the moringa powder, so that it can start dissolving in it. And then this is how it looks like, and then I cover it, guys, cover it and leave it to settle for some days. And here you have it. This is your oil. Leave it for some days, let it settle, because what finally happens is that the moringa powder is going to settle down, and then you can extract the oil. And this is the outcome. This is the outcome of it. This is the finished one. And what I do usually, I apply this on my scalp, just like this. Okay, so this is what I do, just like this. And guys, it feels really nice. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and let me know how this hair oil works for you. I promise you this miracle hair oil is going to keep your scalp healthy, and your hair is going to grow long and long. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Subscribe, comment down below, and to my subscribers, as usual, a big virtual hug to you. Thank you for keeping me going. I love you all, and happy Women's Day to the women out there, the women who work so hard. Love you all. God bless you. Ciao.